just about having fun. Tulad ng unang kanta ko. Maraming salamat na andito kayong lahat to be part of it. Sa lahat ng mga nag-tweet sa akin since kanina pa, thank you so much, binabasa ko. And of course, sa lahat ng mga nandito to support me.
Nang kita ay makilala, nagpatuloy ang laway ko, pinti ko ay nangatog, ako'y sumemblang at nauntog. Ewan ko, ano bang meron ka, kigay na to'y napaabong mo. Nabihag mo ang puso kong pihikan, agad na inilang sa'yo. Ikaw ba ay isang tropa at naaadik ako? Isang kidat mo lang mapapagkamling na ako. Tinamaan na ako, walang iyak at kupido. Nasirang schedule ko, putris na kapiliwang ito. Ako ang masarap kahando, ang Ann Curtis ng buhay mo. GSM Blue, you're so smooth and sweet and clear. Masarap makihalo. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray, waiting for that final moment you say the words that I can't say. You will feel a little crazy, but for me, I'll be famous on TV. Would it be my fault if I could turn you on? Would I be so bad if I could turn you on? When I kiss your mouth, I wanna slow down, don't wanna waste it.
Thank you so much, Patrick. Thank you so much. And because you came up here and you were such a good partner, I think you deserve a kiss. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much, Patrick, for joining me here on stage. Thank you. All enjoyed what I could give right now. Ito pa lang yung kaya ko, pero binest effort ko talaga sa CD. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. Thank you. Ano? Ano sabi niyo? Gusto niyo na ako more? Aba, syempre hindi ako tatanggi dyan. At ito ang para sa inyo. Music please.